They sent it to us for free.
Yeah, we got a free couch from Lovesac, and this is not sponsored. Basically, we won a drawing at the opening, the grand opening at our Lovesac in our city. That we have a Lovesac store.
Is there any other ones?
Yes. We won the grand prize at the grand opening. You know how they give out mystery prizes when the place is open. So we got a new couch. So we're gonna put it together and we're gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's a love seat. It's like a 2-seater. So it's not like a big old couch, but it's still a couch. So, and there's only 2 of us, so it works.
We gotta hurry up. We gotta go Bible study.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest, heartbeat.
If you guys didn't know, Lovesac couches, they're called Sactionals, and you're supposed to be able to put them together, basically like a puzzle piece. And I'm sorry to shake because I'm tired. It's a sofa in the box. Oh my god, yeah, it's a sofa in the box.
I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you?
Once we figure out what to do next. Oh.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky.
So this is the shoe, and we're going to be attaching these pads to it. So in the, I think this is the side part, but the shoe, well, this part came right here, and right here is where the shoe is. Oh. See? Yeah, it's inside of it. It's this pulley, and it's right in the middle, and that's where our felt pads are and the bottom of the feet of the Look at all this. Okay, let's get back to it. We're gonna be late for Bible study.
I know that I'll be a man. The second that I see you.
I think that these are the cushions that are packed into this, and I'm about to try to pull it out. We got one cushion on. Cover. Whatever. We found the cushions. They weren't lost. We didn't think they were lost. They weren't lost. We just found out where they were. It's in here. The cushion is in here. But I don't know how to take the sticks out. Oh, I got you. Zoria got hers out. She's putting the cushion cover on what I think, I'm sure though, is the seat.
Way to get that high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood. I'm not backing down, So if you're looking for trouble, you better come on. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come over?
Alright guys, so
Come over.
we have
When you leave me like that.
put all the covers on. I'll show you from here. We just put all the covers on. All of the parts, I guess. And like, there's like seats that are like all soft, like actual cushions. And then this is like the bottom, and then we've got a back. So now we've screwed on all these. They came in that little box we showed you. So all of them have seats. So we screwed them all on. And then we're gonna take these, and this is where they connect. So you just sit them in there, and then after that, there's little holes like this. There's little holes that makes them connect like that too. So I'll show you guys when we get it done, but she doesn't get it. Alright, so we finally finished putting it together. It's a little bit of a struggle. When we come back from church, maybe we'll talk about how everything went. But basically, I think I showed you, we hooked all of the feet in the little shoes that we put the felt on. And then, I don't know, all the holes. I guess these are called shoes, I don't know. And you connect them, because without it, they're like all wobbly. So we did that. Now she's got to put the cushions in, and then we'll be done. And I'm tired. Yeah, Velcro at the bottom so things don't move. But look how plush it is. Like, that's a big couch. Like, I don't even know we even need to add to this. I didn't know it was gonna be this thick. This is like a thick couch. We just here you go. What's the other one? Alrighty.
Okay.
It's cute.
Okay. Oh, $2,000. Woo.
I know. It was like, this is like a value of just about $3,000.
Why she don't fit?
She fits.
Okay. You fit.
Alright, you want to sit on it? Okay, here. Take the camera. I'm going to push it into the corner. That took too long, Lovesac. I have got to come up with something else. That was hard.
The reason why I like this is because you can buy more parts and you can easily connect it and make a bigger couch.
It's so big and small at the same time. It's going to make our front room look so much bigger.
I like this better than like a sectional. We're gonna be late to church.
It's comfortable.
It's comfy.
Alright, we're going to go to church and then we're going to talk about it later. Because we're late.
Peace out.